In this video, I'm going to teach you how I made this sleeve. It's a puff sleeve. You can see the way the puff came out. If you're interested in making this, please come on and let me take you step by step on how to do it. If you want to learn how to make this full blouse from start to finish step by step, you can check our previous video. I was able to achieve this whole top with 2 yards of fabric. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing I'll do now is to get my paper. So I'm going to mark 4 inches for the puff, and you can actually mark 5 if you wish. So 4 inches is what I used. Then after that, I'm going to get the line. Then I'll come down and mark the sleeve length. Mine is 8 inches. I'm going to mark the 8 inches like this. After marking it, I'm going to mark the bicep. So whatever your bicep is, mark it there. So mine is 4 inches that I've marked. So the armhole I'm working with is 18 inches divided by 2 is 9. So I'll mark 8 inches on here. Whatever your armhole is, just minus 1 and mark it on this line here. I'm going to connect this line slantly like this, as you can see me doing. So this is just marking out our basic sleeve. Then I'm going to come in here, divide what I have here by 2, and I'll mark the midpoint. I'm going to come in here by 1 inch. I'll mark it. Then I'll make the curve of our normal basic sleeve, just like so. Then I'll come up here and I'm going to mark 1.5 inches. So after marking that, I'm going to come here and mark the bicep again. If your bicep is 4, just mark it, or 3.5. I'm just going to mark it right here. I hope you understand. I'll mark the 4 inches right here. Then I'm going to come down to this curvy area and mark 2.5 inches. And I'm going to connect those lines together, just as you can see me doing, like this. After connecting it like so, what I'm going to do is to mark the round sleeve. So mine is 6 inches and I'm just going to mark it just like so. I'm going to mark 6 inches. Mark whatever your round sleeve is, however you want it to be. I'll use the curvy part of my ruler and I'm going to shape it. I'm not going to use the straight parts. I hope you understand. So we are done with this. So I'm just going to cut it out now. And this is how I drafted my puff sleeve. You can see it's actually very simple. So what I'm going to do now is to place it like this and cut it on my fabric. So here I have my fabric here, and you can see that side is on fold. It's on fold. The long side there is on fold, and I've marked my ½ inch all around here, 1 inch here, and whatever allowance you want to use for your hem, you can add it. So after that, this is what I have, and I have just folded the hem like this, and I'm going to fold in another ½ inch to fold it inside. I'm going to fold it inwards like so, and I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other sleeve, just like this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it together like this, and I'm going to run a 1 inch stitch on this part here. Then after doing that, now what I'm going to do is to trim this part here. You know, our front part is always cut inward like this, so I'm just going to reduce it like this, and this is what I have. So here is it, and this is the second one. So what you're going to do is that you're just going to sew it on your sleeve the way you normally sew your sleeve, and whatever allowance you have, you're going to pleat it into the joining on your shoulder. I hope you understand. You're just going to join into the shoulder, and you are done with the sleeve. If you have learned something new in this video, kindly give my video a thumbs up. Comment and share my videos. Do not forget to turn on your post notification so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please do not forget to go back to the previous video to learn how to make this blouse. I will drop the link in the description box so you can get it. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you on our next interesting video. Thank you. Bye.